It's a good trick to pit in, right?
Yes.
It's a really good trick. They want space too. Don't pass.
Should I stop?
No, you go.
Okay.
If you need to stop, they'll tell you to stop.
Gotcha. Well, I'm gonna slow down a little bit. This is GR Corolla by. I should have gotten in front of him.
Actually, you can't.
Oh, really?
You have to.
No, I meant like I should have hit it harder in the pit.
Let's go. Let's get on it. Right? When it wants to understeer, that's when you give a gas and just boom, it removes the understeer. Nice. Thank you. Definitely safe, okay?
Yeah.
You can drive fast. Always be careful. Always see what's behind the wall. Okay?
It was
perfect. So go.
Okay.
Yes.
I wasn't sure if I could do it.
That's good. So he signaled, I'm pitting in, so go.
Gotcha.
That's good for you. Alright? Just lift a little bit. Turn in now, full gas.
Yeah.
Too much brake. That is a tap. So
let it off.
Yeah.
A little bit of maintenance.
So next one we're gonna eliminate brake there. How about that?
Okay.
You can do it?
Hopefully.
Cool. gas, 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 gas. It's got enough power to come out.
Yeah.
Cars.
Yeah. Well, he's got that 3-cylinder.
That one's faster?
No, I have a 4-cylinder. He has a 3-cylinder. Yeah, very comparable.
Four. Turn in. Gas, 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 gas. Oh, you see the wheels lifting. No brake.
No brake.
Just lift. Ah, no brake, I said.
Oh, right there?
Yes, no brake.
Had to hit a little bit of brake.
Just a bit back, nice. It's a one corner. So next one you're gonna approach there, lift it a little bit.
Okay.
Turn in. Gas, 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 gas. Look at that. You're discovering the whole track.
Yeah.
You're going to places you never been before. Gas, 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 gas. Too much brake. Too much brake. Uphill. Just lift a bit. Make sure it settles. Gas, 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 gas. Gas, 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 gas. Wait. Lift.
No brake?
Just turn in. Look at that. Look. So much easier. It's better without
Without the brake, yeah.
You didn't do anything.
You're right.
All I have to do is just lift and turn. Watch it.
Brush the brakes here, yep.
Even here we don't use brakes. Gas, 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 gas. Gas, 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 gas. Stay close. Turn in. Yeah, gas, 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 gas. Your friend or something?
No.
Really nice racing. Oh, you got the point now. Alright. So that's like, look, it came out pretty good, right?
Yeah.
You passed him at the last lap, you get the checker flag. So you won.
Yeah.
You saw the checker flag, right?
Yes. Brake here? No?
It's a checker flag.
Oh. Also, yeah, I need to back up.
Yeah.
That's crazy that I don't need to brake anywhere else.
This is a 2-brake trip.
2-brake trap. Okay.
You're leaving tomorrow?
What is that?
You're staying from tomorrow?
No, this is my only day today.
Next time you come, find me. If I have a passenger seat, I'll show you.
Okay.
No brake. Only brake at this track is this one. Leave it the light bulb. No brake. It's an old school track. This is a made up track. It's not planned track.
Oh, really?
No, Thunderbolt is. This is one of those, like, you know, to learn when you pit in, stay at the line, literally at the right. It's so good when you keep growing that you don't like slow other people down.
Yeah.
Okay? Because in advanced sessions, you can pace anywhere you want.
Oh, okay.
And everybody pits in, takes the tire temperature, comes back in. So you might go in 5 times within 30 minutes. So it doesn't mean everybody has to wait for everybody.
Yeah, I got you.
You just stay inside, off the line, your hands out, that's it. That was great.
Thank you.
You did some really, really good. Ooh. So
some of that was great. I mean, like just the way the car is just flowing.
you see how much easier it is to drive when you do the right things, you brake right places. You know, when you don't brake places.
I can't believe people aren't even like, some people aren't following the line like all the way. I'm like,
well,
your life would be so much easier if you just followed the line.
Everybody has different skills.
Yeah.
So.
But I mean, that's what I focus on. I focus on just putting the car on the line, you know?
Okay, next one. We have to practice brake a little bit later. We have to eliminate
braking
two braking zones.
Okay.
So, and then you're gonna have one to eliminate. So we're gonna eliminate that one, but we're gonna approach. We're gonna lift it, because what happens there when you brake, the car goes forward, then you gas, and pushes you left.
Okay.
If you approach by lifting, okay, and turning, your car is more settled, so it's ready to make it there. If you look at the map, it's actually one turn.
Right. Okay.
It's one turn. Okay?
Now you're talking like, so you're talking come down this straightaway and come into that corner there with no brake?
No.
Oh.
That one you brake. The number
Oh, but the
one.
next one.
The next one.
Oh, it's one big turn.
It's literally one turn.
Okay.
And then we're gonna eliminate on top of the hill, right there.
Okay. Awesome.
Okay. But that means you're gonna lift it a little bit before, a little bit before, and then you'll see how smooth it's gonna be.
Okay.
Then you might have to a little bit correct your steering. You might get a little tail happy, which is fun.
Yeah.
But the speeds are not that great. That's, you know, it can be catastrophic. Okay?
Gotcha.
But again, whatever the confidence you have and whatever you think it's skills you have, okay? Don't overdo something that you don't know.
Yeah.
Attention in the paddock, attention in the
You're
paddock.
getting there.
As a reminder,
Good.
all
Awesome.
hands and
Thank you.
arms need
I'm
to
looking forward to the
remain
next one.
inside the vehicle while on track. Once again, all hands and arms need to remain inside the vehicle while on track.
Was it red flag? All right, see you at the next session.
Yeah, see you in a few.
This is fun.
Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
I'm loving it. You went really good.
What is
really
that?
Good job. It was a nice session.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Oh man, that was awesome. That was.
You got one lap off. You were like 1.3.
That's awesome.
One of your laps. So I'm